For many of the firms that have used AI, they've come to see that they've been sold really good marketing that says AI is at 99% accuracy, which isn't really the whole truth. If that's the case, then we're saying that 99.9% of the job is done. That's ludicrous. To get to truly your level of accuracy, AI needs to understand how you work to then get to work. This is what a tax professional screen looked like before. Tax automation tool over there, tax software here, copy, paste, double check, switch back, lose context, lose speed. But with filed Prowork, filed lives here, 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 and here, right inside your systems, even inside of your tax software. Same screen, no switching context at all, but capturing all of the work that you do. So if your email picks up context for filed, such as a life change for one of your taxpayers, filed remembers that. If you correct an output by your team or by AI directly in your tax software, well, of course, filed is going to remember that. We do all of this with our incredibly powerful and accurate tax engine built off of the IRS schemas for both individual and business returns. So we can calculate all the outcomes and we can check that back to the source documents and prior year return data. We can flag mismatches, anomalies, line by line in real time. Your accuracy is what matters the most, and filed focuses on that. Where you work, where the surfaces that you operate on, is where the context lives. And within weeks, post-pilot, filed is truly able to rise to your level of accuracy, and we're doing this with the highest volume firms in the US. They trust us to become the AI partner of choice, from Big Four all the way through to top 500 and multi-office firms all across the nation. Filed finally has removed the tedium of losing context between systems that are just not built to remember. And filed is your intelligence layer for true tax automation. Take that one.